Namaste friends, hello Dosto, welcome to Mudita Naari's colorful channel and yet another cooking video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a process of making Ringna and Tuvera, which is pigeon peas, shaak. I'm going to use this one big aubergine and 500 gram of frozen pigeon peas. I've chopped the aubergine and have soaked them in a water and added salt, so they're going to have a nice salt water bath. Next, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of cooking oil in a saucepan, and after that 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. The reason I've added 4 tablespoons because it's going to be a dry shaak and it's mainly going to be cooked in the oil with little bit of water. Next, covering the saucepan with the lid to control the mustard seed from protesting and jumping out of the saucepan and creating unnecessary mess. Mustard seeds have calmed down. Time to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, quarter teaspoons of ASAFOETIDA, few curry leaves and few cinnamon sticks, 1 chopped green chili. Give it a gentle stir before adding 2 teaspoons of ginger paste, 3/4 teaspoons of turmeric powder. Mix everything well. Oh, look at that golden color. And now add frozen pigeon peas. Mix everything well and then add 30 ml of water and again stir. Now I'm going to stir this and you can see the amount of water that's been added. It's very little because it's going to be again a dry shaak, not the shaak with too much of gravy. Cover it with lid and let it cook on the slow temperature for roughly 7 to 10 minutes, checking in between. I'm checking this now, showing you the close-up as well to see what it looks like. It looks like sort of creased pigeon peas or wrinkly pigeon peas. Let me show you like this. So this shaak is now ready for aubergine to be added. And the aubergine had its lovely, calming, relaxing salt water bath. I'm going to give all a quick wash before being added to the shaak. After adding this aubergine pieces into shaak, give a good stir and add salt. Adding 30 ml of water again to prevent it from sticking to the saucepan. Next few steps are stirring, covering it with lid, cooking on a slow temperature for 5 to 7 minutes, checking in between, and then again adding 20 ml of water to further cook the shaak. Aubergine has gone softer than before, but it hasn't got as soft as I wanted it to be. So I'll cook it for further few minutes, of course covering it with the lid. Now my shaak is almost ready and needs to be completed with few ingredients like 1 teaspoon of dhania jeera powder, 1 garlic clove chopped. In this shaak, I'm adding this garlic clove right at the end because I want the aroma to set in and it will taste better as well. So my shaak is ready. I'm going to cover it with lid, let it sit like this for couple of minutes at least, and then stir it properly before serving it. And this shaak can be consumed with any Indian bread like rotli, bhakri, paratha and naan. So my friends, we have reached the end of this video, and if this is your first visit on this channel, please consider subscribing. And if you have liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Thank you for watching my friends. Till we meet again, you all take care. Bye. Avjo. Bye.